Hello, everyone, and welcome to Natural English Podcast. My name is Alex.
And I'm Lily. We are so happy you could join us today.
Have you ever thought about how many interesting little things happen in one normal day? Today, we're going to talk about something simple but meaningful. We're going to share our yesterday with you.
That's right. We want to have a real, slow conversation about our daily lives, our routines, and the small moments that made up our day. It's a great way to practice listening to natural English.
Here on Natural English Podcast, we believe that you learn best by listening to real conversations. We speak clearly and at a natural, slower pace so you can follow along easily.
Exactly. It's not about studying grammar rules or memorizing vocabulary. It's about hearing how people actually talk, how we express our feelings, and how we share our experiences.
So stay with us until the end. And if you enjoy this type of content, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us keep making these podcasts for you.
Now let's get into it. Alex, tell me about your yesterday. What was your day like?
Well, my yesterday was pretty typical, but I think it had some nice moments. I woke up a little later than usual, actually.
Oh, really? What time did you get up?
I woke up at around 8:15, which is late for me. I usually get up at 7, but I was just so tired. I had a hard time falling asleep the night before.
I know what you mean. That happens to me sometimes too. So, what was your morning routine like after you finally got out of bed?
Well, the first thing I did was make a cup of strong coffee. That's a must for me. Then I just sat by the window for a few minutes to wake up properly.
That sounds peaceful. I love those quiet morning moments. I usually try to do something similar.
It is nice, isn't it? Then I made breakfast. I decided to make a simple omelet with some vegetables and cheese. Nothing too fancy, but it was good.
That sounds delicious. For me, breakfast is usually just some toast and a banana. I'm not really a morning person, so I keep it simple.
That's a smart way to do it. So after breakfast, what did you do? What time did you start your day?
I actually had to go to the library yesterday morning. I'm working on a little project and I needed some quiet time to focus.
Oh, that sounds productive. I love the library. It's so calm and quiet.
It really is. I was there for a few hours, just reading and writing. It's amazing how much you can get done when there are no distractions.
I totally agree. My afternoons are usually my most productive time. After breakfast, I had to do some work from home. I had a few emails to answer and some documents to finish.
Was it a busy day for you work-wise?
It was fairly busy, yes. I had a video call with my team, which was interesting. It's always good to connect with them, even if it's just through a screen.
That's nice. It's important to have that human connection, even when you're working remotely. Did anything interesting happen during the call?
Actually, yes. My cat jumped onto my desk right in the middle of the meeting. He just sat there in front of the camera, looking very important. Everyone on the call started laughing.
Oh, that's so funny. Cats always know when to make an appearance, don't they? Oh, I love those unexpected moments.
They really do. He's my little coworker now. So, what did you do after you finished at the library?
I left the library around lunchtime. I was feeling a bit hungry, so I stopped at a small cafe near my apartment. I had a simple salad and a glass of water. It was very refreshing.
That sounds like a lovely break. It's important to step away from your work and just relax for a bit.
It is. I sat by the window and just watched people walking by. It's one of my favorite things to do. You see so many different lives happening all at once.
That's a beautiful way to put it. I often do that too. People watching can be so calming. So, after lunch, what was the plan for the rest of your day?
I had a few errands to run. I needed to go to the grocery store. My fridge was looking a little empty.
I know that feeling. I hate it when the fridge is empty. It means you have to go shopping. What did you buy?
Just the usual things: some vegetables, milk, bread, eggs, and some fruit. I like to have healthy options available at home. It makes it easier to eat well.
You're right. When I have good food at home, I'm more likely to cook. I also try to make a shopping list so I don't forget anything important.
That's a great habit. I should try to do that more. I often go to the store and forget what I needed. I end up buying things I don't need.
That happens to all of us. It's like the grocery store has a special power over us. I went for a walk in the afternoon too. The weather was really nice.
Oh, that sounds perfect. What was the weather like? It was sunny here.
It was sunny and warm, but not too hot. There was a nice breeze. I just walked through the park near my house for about 30 minutes. It was a great way to clear my head.
I should do that more often. I spend so much time indoors that I sometimes forget how good it feels to just be outside in the fresh air.
It really makes a difference. Just a short walk can change your whole mood. It helps you feel more relaxed and energized.
So, after your walk, what did you do? Did you have to work more?
I did have a little more work in the afternoon, but it wasn't too heavy. I was able to finish everything by around 5 o'clock. It felt good to close my laptop.
That must have been a great feeling. I love that moment when you can finally say, okay, I'm done for the day.
It's the best feeling. I can finally relax. What about you? Did you finish all your errands?
I did. I was back home by about 3 in the afternoon. I decided to just relax for a bit. I read a book on my sofa for a while. It was very quiet and peaceful.
That sounds like a perfect way to spend an afternoon. What book are you reading?
It's a novel about a family history. It's very interesting, but it's a bit sad in some parts. I'm enjoying it, though.
I love books that make you feel something. It shows it's a good story.
Exactly. A good book can make you laugh or cry or just think about things in a new way.
It's like a conversation with the author. So, what did you do for the rest of the afternoon?
I actually made a phone call to my mom. We had a nice long chat. It was so good to hear her voice and catch up with her.
Well, that's really sweet. I called my mom yesterday too. It's always comforting to talk to family, isn't it?
It really is. We talked about so many different things. She told me about her garden and how the flowers are starting to bloom. It made me happy.
My mom is the same way. She loves telling me about her plants. It's a small thing, but it connects us.
Yes, it's those little conversations that mean the most. They make you feel like you're part of each other's lives, even when you're far away.
That's a lovely way to describe it. So, your afternoon sounds like it was very relaxing.
It was. I felt very calm and content. Now, what about you? What did you do once you finished work?
I took a nice long shower. It felt so good after a long day. Then I started thinking about what to do for dinner.
Ah, the most important decision of the day, right? What did you decide to make?
I decided to make a simple pasta dish. I had some tomatoes, garlic, and basil, so I just made a quick tomato sauce. It was really easy and tasted great.
That sounds amazing. There's nothing like a simple, homemade meal. It's always so much better than takeout.
I agree. It's more satisfying. I also opened a window while I was cooking. The fresh air made the whole apartment smell really nice.
That's a good idea. I love it when the kitchen smells like a good meal. So, did you eat your dinner by yourself?
I did. I just sat at the table and ate slowly. It was nice to just enjoy the food and not have to rush.
Sometimes eating alone is very peaceful. You can just focus on the flavors and enjoy your own company.
You're right. It's a form of self-care, I think. After dinner, I felt very relaxed.
What did you do to relax in the evening?
I decided to watch a movie. I found a classic film on a streaming service. It was a comedy from the 90s. It was so funny and nostalgic.
Oh, I love a good classic comedy. It's like comfort food for your eyes. What was the movie called?
It was called Mrs. Doubtfire. Have you seen it?
Yes, I love that movie. It's so funny, but also so sweet. I haven't seen it in years.
It's such a great film. I was laughing out loud by myself. I also had a cup of tea while I watched. It was the perfect way to end the day.
That sounds like a wonderful evening. It's the little routines, like a cup of tea and a good movie, that make life so pleasant.
I agree. It's not about big, extravagant things. It's about enjoying the small comforts. I felt so grateful for that quiet evening.
That's a beautiful sentiment. So tell me, what was your favorite moment from your whole day?
That's a great question. I think my favorite moment was probably the walk in the park. The weather was perfect, and it just felt so peaceful. It helped me reset my mind.
That's really nice. Sometimes the best moments are the ones we don't even plan. They just happen.
Exactly. What about you? What was your favorite moment from your day?
My favorite moment was definitely my phone call with my mom. Hearing her voice and hearing her laugh just made my whole day brighter. It was a simple connection, but it felt so valuable.
That's really lovely, Lily. It's amazing how a quick conversation with someone you love can turn a regular day into a good day.
Absolutely. It's a reminder of what's truly important.
Looking back, was there anything that surprised you about your day? Or anything you might have done differently?
That's a good question. I think I would have tried to get outside for a walk like you did. I spent too much time indoors. A little bit of sunlight would have been nice.
It's funny how easy it is to stay inside. I think we often just get so busy that we forget to go outside. I'm guilty of that too.
Yes, we need to make a conscious effort. But overall, I think it was a good day. It felt productive and calm.
I feel the same way. It wasn't a day with any big adventures, but it was full of nice, small moments.
And that's what most of our lives are, isn't it? Just a collection of ordinary, beautiful moments.
You're right. And if we can learn to appreciate those moments, we can be happier.
I learned that yesterday. I realized that I need to stop and be present more often. It's so easy to just rush through the day.
I know what you mean. I often find myself thinking about the next thing I have to do, instead of just enjoying what I'm doing right now.
It's a habit we need to break. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to be more mindful. I'll try to notice the little things more.
That's a good goal. I think I'll try that too. We all could use a little more mindfulness in our lives.
So, Alex, what is one thing you want to do differently tomorrow? Or this week?
I think I want to start my day a little earlier. I felt a bit rushed in the morning. Waking up at 7 might help me feel more organized.
That's a good plan. Starting the day calmly can make such a big difference.
Yes, exactly. I want to set a good tone for the whole day. What about you? What do you want to do differently?
I want to make sure I take a break in the afternoon. I often just work right through lunch and then I get tired. I want to do what you did and go for a short walk.
I highly recommend it. It's a great way to give your brain a rest.
I'll definitely try it. This has been such a nice conversation, Alex. I feel like I know more about your day now.
Me too, Lily. It's always good to share and reflect on our experiences. It's kind of like journaling, but out loud.
Exactly. And it makes me think about how we should do this more often. Just talking about our lives. It helps you appreciate the day.
I totally agree. So, we hope you enjoyed listening to our conversation about yesterday.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We know you are busy, and we really appreciate you listening to us.
We want to encourage you to practice your English by having similar conversations in your own life. Try to talk to a friend about your day. It's great practice for speaking and listening.
And we have a question for you. Tell us about your yesterday. What was your favorite moment?
Leave a comment in the comment section below. We would love to read your stories.
We'd love to know what you did, what you ate, or what made you smile.
Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this episode, and please subscribe to Natural English Podcast for more slow, natural English conversations.
We have many more episodes coming, and we don't want you to miss any of them.
Thank you again for joining us. Remember, every day is full of small wonders. Try to notice them.
Take care, everyone. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.